Okay, this video is really a link to another video about a guy who has a 1/3 of an acre yard. I'll have the link down in the description below. 1/3 of an acre, and he made this incredible backyard. I'll put the link. It's amazing how much food he grows, and it pisses me off that I'm such a wimp. I let myself get tricked into a situation where I really live in my wife's house, and so I can't do anything with the yard. And it's pathetic. Okay, you get a smart guy like this and let him do what he's capable of doing. And it's like a miracle how much food this guy is growing in his small lot. I'll put the link to the video if you're curious about this sort of thing. It's extraordinary.